So last month, Tesla announced plans to jump on the stock splitting bandwagon again with a 3-to-1 stock split. Shareholders will have a chance to vote at the 2022 annual shareholder meeting. If approved, shareholders on record by a certain date will receive 2 extra shares for every 1 share of Tesla stock they own on the day of the stock split. What does this mean for the price of Tesla stock? Well, we're about to find out. Since the last stock split, Tesla's stock price has risen parabolically, thanks in part to the company's strong operational performance. Now, if the 3-to-1 split occurred today, each share would be further reduced to a new price, roughly one-third of what it is trading right now. Now, here are my 3 reasons why that share price is likely to continue moving higher once the split is done. More deliveries resulting in higher gross margin. Now, as Tesla builds more cars, its gross margin increases. Why? Because of a phenomenon known as scale. Now, if Tesla builds a factory that can produce 500,000 cars, but it only produces 50,000, it would lose money because it's absorbing the cost of what's extra capacity without actually using it. Now, when it produces all 500,000 cars, its fixed costs are the smallest possible percentage of its revenue, which leads to a higher gross margin. Since Tesla has been delivering a record number of vehicles, its gross margin has consistently climbed higher, and now it's sitting at the best level in the company's history. Increased output due to new factories. Tesla has faced challenges meeting the demand for its vehicles in the past because of production constraints. In fact, despite the company's incredible growth, a lack of manufacturing capacity has actually slowed it down. However, that might be about to change with the opening of 2 brand new factories, one near Austin, Texas, and the other in Berlin, Germany. Finally, increased margin equals increased net income. Now, net income is a metric most investors watch closely. Put simply, it's the company's bottom line of profit. It's also important because when it's divided by the number of shares in circulation, it becomes earnings per share. Many pundits predicted Tesla would never reach profitability because making cars is a difficult and expensive ordeal. Even some of the best car makers like Ford Motors Company can only muster a mere gross profit margin of around 15%. But Tesla has developed industry-leading processes for producing electric vehicles, and the quality of the finished product allows for premium pricing. Now, Tesla's gross margin of 32.9% leaves far more room for operating investments like the design of new products and the development of innovative new software tech like autonomous driving, which can help the company ahead of its competitors. But more importantly, the high margin results in more flowing to the bottom line. In the first quarter of 2022 alone, Tesla generated over 3.3 billion in net income. Now, at the time of this recording, if you take a look at the price of Tesla, when it closed on July 29th at 4 p.m., it was trading at $891.45. Now, how higher can this go? Well, if we go a little back, when the earnings report came out, Tesla broke out of its wedge pattern where it was consolidating for a bit. Now, anytime a stock breaks out of a pattern like this, you see a clear big move that happens. It either breaks down and goes to the downside, or you see a clear breakout. And in this situation, we clearly broke out and have reclaimed the bull territory. Now, how higher can this go? Well, it really depends. Now, the market's already priced in the 75 basis point hike that the Fed did. So after that, the market has started rallying. Now, how higher can this go really depends on how we see inflation at the end of the year. If inflation does come under control, and if the Fed U-turns and they put their brakes on increasing the interest rates, we could see Tesla easily hit $1,200 by the end of the year, pre-split. So after split, each share would be trading roughly $400. If you made it this far and you found value in the content, to see more videos like this in the future, gently tap the like button and subscribe to the channel for the algorithm. Until next time, peace.